Hi, hello. In this video, we will see the interface of push button with Arduino, where the LED light will be blinking with the help of push button. So now we will see this video. The required materials are Arduino, and the breadboard, and push button. Now we will connect this and LED, and we'll connect this to and then resistor. We can tilt this. Yes, so now these are the required components. So now we'll connect the Arduino to the breadboard using connecting wires. So from 8th pin I am connecting to the push button. Here you should connect here. Yes, now from the LED to push button. Now resistor to ground, and from Arduino the ground pin we should connect it to breadboard. We can connect here. Yes, so our connection is finished. So now we will see we can change it to black. So now we will see the coding part. This is the old one, so we'll delete this. So in this video the coding is very simple, only one single step, and we should use this pin, this code block. So here we should set the 8th pin because it's connected to Arduino in that. So we'll start simulation. When pressing this push button we can see that LED glows. So that's all the video is. Thank you.